Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Stagflation 2021 and off-market houses in Los Angeles. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Is the dollar destined for ruin as inflation takes control? We're talking about stagflation in 2021. This is the real estate news. Consumers expect stagflation, according to University of Michigan, as bullish exhaustion might be setting in. U.S. consumer sentiment dropped to a 6-month low, falling well below analyst expectations. Personal income outlook fell as well, while inflation expectations soared, hitting a 7-year high. Consumers today expect an inflation rate of around 3.3%, indicating a rapid growth in inflation fear. With business prospects also expected to decline, prices are expected to soar. Consumers are predicting stagflation, persistent high inflation, high unemployment, and stagnant demand, similar to what occurred in the 1970s. Caused by federal government and Federal Reserve money printing, inflation can normally only be resolved through higher interest rates and recession. Without these needed corrections, the dollar would eventually end up like the Weimar Deutschmark or the Zimbabwe dollar, making us billionaires or trillionaires with more inefficiency and less real wealth than normal. Suburban home prices have already exhibited real signs of inflation, according to Barron's. The U.S. economy is drowning in cheap debt, low growth, and structural problems, delivering years of high unemployment. The U.S. looks to be in or heading towards stagflation. That will require substantial fiscal stimulus to keep the bottom half of the economy afloat. The political solution is to keep printing more money and delay the downswing, while economic solution is to let the cycle play out. That's the economic solution. History suggests that the world will try to take the easy way out, and we shall lose control to runaway inflation. TheStreet.com says there's no use worrying about stagflation or crying about stagflation. Profit from it. The Bureau of Labor Statistics just released a brutal jobs report, which showed a disappointing 49,000 jobs added in January and a net negative revision of 159,000 jobs from the preliminary November-December reports. The Democrats are ramming through a stimulus package without a single Republican vote, with zero thought on how to pay for the trillions of stimulus. Long-term effects of overspending, and while we're also talking about shrinking GDP, gross domestic product, we're talking about one of the most feckless, fiscally irresponsible destruction of the creditworthiness of the USA, and that's not fully comprehended in a 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield of 1.16%. There is no use crying about it. Buy some NTFs and set your portfolio to profit from stagflation. Now on to unlisted homes in LA. What's the biggest secret in LA real estate? Secret homes, of course. In some markets, upwards of 50% of the best deals are sold before they're ever listed. These pocket listings and other off-market properties are often dominated by a few top real estate agent teams, and they're so powerful that ordinary real estate agents complain about these unlisted homes, even file lawsuits and try to get them outlawed. Get a free list of off-market houses in Los Angeles and your favorite neighborhoods, and get those in your email before they come onto the market.